What a beautiful opportunity for new generation.
This is a phenomenal opportunity for African architects.
The opportunity that we saw to address climate change differently.
This combination of high potency and short duration really represents an opportunity.
Nós temos nas mãos a melhor oportunidade de mostrar que a gente sabe preservar a Amazônia.
The opportunity to use the international legal framework for climate action so that we are all on the same page.
These vulnerabilities are something that need to be handled immediately. And we have an opportunity to do so.
If we can reduce methane emissions, we can reduce the rate of warming and buy us time.
We do have the opportunity to amplify all the good things that could help us live in harmony with climate.
Every fraction of a degree matters.